In this lecture, we will plan out the app that we will build in this section. Attached to this lecture as a course resource is the document I will be going over in this lecture, which details the specifications of the app we will build. I'm sure many of you have heard of the famous Draw Something app, a mobile app where you can draw pictures on your phone. We will be using Kivy and the Python programming language to create Paint Something, an app where you can paint with your finger onto the screen. This app will allow the user to paint images on their mobile device. They will be able to use their finger to select a color and brush with, and then paint an image. After they are finished, they will be able to save the image onto their phone. When the app first loads, the user will see the start screen with a start button that they can click. After clicking the start button, the user will be taken to a screen where they can select a color, a pen width, and then use their finger to draw on the screen. Once the user has finished creating an image, they can save the image onto their mobile device using the Save button. In the next lecture, we will learn about the GUI elements that Kivy gives us access to.